Thanks for helping me out, mates. That was a dreadful illness. I'm glad you could help me feel better and help out the clinic too.
Hold on a second, guys. Hello, V here.
I am so glad I was able to reach you. This is Dolores, the receptionist at McMurdo Station. I have great news. We got word that your mom was evacuated on the ship to Australia.
No way! Ooh, hey guys, my mom is in Australia. Is she all right? Is she safe? When is she coming home?
Unfortunately, dear, I don't know any more than that, but I wanted to make sure I let you know because I knew you and your friends were trying to find her.
Any news is better than no news. I guess we're headed to Australia.
We made it this far. Let's keep going. Get to the chopper.
Wait, get to the what?
Guys, we already burned through half of our fuel. We're gonna have to make a stop.
We just left a couple hours ago. How did we use that much fuel already?
Don't freak out, but I think we have a leak in our fuel tank.
Are you mad? That sounds like the perfect reason to, as you say, freak out.
Sri Lanka isn't too far, and I have family there who can help us while Antonio gets the plane fixed.
We should make it.
Should make it?
Welcome everyone. Quickly take a handkerchief to cover your mouth and nose.
It's so good to see you, Uncle. But why is the air so polluted? Is there a fire?
No fire. Sadly, our air quality is often very poor and it seems to be getting worse.
That's awful. Shouldn't the government do something to help?
Yeah, this isn't good. It's really burning my throat and eyes.
The government refuses to help until it gets evidence that the levels of pollution have reached an unsafe level.
That sounds like something our tech team could assist you with while we wait for the plane. Perhaps they could make a tool to analyze the change in air quality.
That's a great idea. If we send the government a report, maybe they will start working on a fix.
We would appreciate your help. Now let's get you to our home while you wait for the plane to be fixed.
Henny's family wants the Sri Lankan government to take action about the air pollution, and they need your help. You will collect and analyze air pollution data and send your written recommendations to the government. Your task is to create an air quality analyzer program to help researchers analyze the pollution levels in Sri Lanka using common algorithms. Your analyzer program must use arrays, array lists, and two-dimensional arrays.